Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about how to find the number of terms in the arithmetic progress. If any arithmetic progress given, from the arithmetic progress, we can calculate how many terms are there, how many terms in the arithmetic progress with the help of the given problem. For this problem, find the number of terms in the AP, arithmetic progress. The given arithmetic progress is 3, 6, 9, 12, 111. This is the last term. This is the given arithmetic progress. For the given arithmetic progress, find the number of terms. How many terms? How many terms are there in the arithmetic progress? That is the question. That will be, we are going to understand from the problem. Given AP is 3, 6, 9, 12, 111. This is the last term. 3 is the first term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. So on, how many terms? How many terms are in the given AP? That will be, we are going to find for the number of terms of the given arithmetic progress. Solution of the problem. First, to find the number of terms in the given AP, we have to find the first term of the arithmetic progress and common difference of the arithmetic progress and the last term of the arithmetic progress, given arithmetic progress. So given arithmetic progress is 3, 6, 9, 12, last 111. This is the given arithmetic progress. First term is denoted by A. The first term of the series is 3. 3 is the first term of the given arithmetic progress. So first term A equal to 3. Next, common difference is denoted by D. Common difference means difference between the any two adjacent elements. Difference between 6 and 3. 6 and 3 is 3. Difference between 9 and 6 is 3. Difference between 12 and 9, 3. So any two adjacent elements difference is 3, that is equal to common difference. So difference between the elements are same because the given series is a arithmetic progress. So all the difference between the elements is same, that is called the common difference denoted by D. You can simply calculate any two elements of the difference. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 3 is the common difference. D value equal to 3. Next, last term of the series, that is denoted by L. This is the given AP. The last term is 111. 111 is the last term. So L equal to 111. This is L value, this is A value. So difference is 3. A equal to 3. First term A equal to 3. Common difference D equal to 3. Last term L equal to 111. Using A, D and L, now we are going to find the how many terms, number of terms in the given arithmetic progress. The nth term and last term of the any arithmetic progress is given by the formula. The nth term L equal to A plus N minus 1 D. This is the general term, general form of the nth term or last term of the any arithmetic progress. So with the help of the nth term formula, we are going to find the number of terms formula. Number of terms in the arithmetic progress formula will be derived from the general term, nth term formula. Here L is the last term, A is the first term, D is the common difference. So n denotes number of terms in the arithmetic progress. So we want the n value, n formula for number of terms formula needed, that will be derived from the nth term formula, last term formula. So we want the n value. So RHS value, take it as a LHS value. LHS value goes to RHS. So A plus n minus 1D in the LHS, RHS will be L only. Here we need only n value. So take the A value to RHS. Here plus A value goes to right side, become minus A value, L minus A. Here D is in multiplication, that goes right side, that will be in division. So D is here in multiplication, that goes to right side in division, L minus A by D. Next we want only the n value, number of times value. So keep the n value here, minus 1 goes to right side, that become plus 1. So minus 1 goes to right side, become plus 1. So n minus A by D plus 1. This is the n, number of terms. Number of terms n is denoted by L minus A by D plus 1. Using the formula, if you know the last value, first value and common difference, with the help of the value you can find number of terms in the given arithmetic progress. So this formula is derived from last term formula, nth term formula, L equal to A plus n minus 1 D. You cannot memorize the formula, you can easily derive from the formula. So right side value comes to left side, L value goes to right side. Here A value goes to right side, become minus A. Then D is in multiplication, that goes to right side, become division. The minus 1 goes to right side, become plus 1. So L minus A by D plus 1 is the final formula for number of terms. To want to find the number of terms in the arithmetic progress, you can use the formula. N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Now we are going to find the number of terms in the given arithmetic progress 3, 6, 9, 12, last term is 111. This is the given arithmetic progress. For the arithmetic progress, we are finding the number of terms. A equal to 3, the first term is 3, D equal to 3, common difference is 3, L equal to 111, the last term is 111. Already we are find these values. With the help of the value, now we are going to find the number of terms in the given arithmetic progress. Number of terms n formula is already we are derived, that is L minus A by D plus 1. This is the formula for to find the number of terms in the given arithmetic progress. L is the last value 111. A is the first term, A equal to 3. D is the common difference 3. So substitute the value in the formula, we get the number of terms of the given arithmetic progress. So A equal to 111. So L value is 111, A value is 3, D value is 3 plus 1. So substitute L, A, D value we get. Next 111 minus 3 is 108 divided by 3 plus 1. Hundred and 11 minus 3 is 108 divided by 3 plus 1. 108 by 3 divided by 3 we get how many 3s are in 10? 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1 18. 6 3s are 18. 36 3s are 108. At 36 plus 1 we get 37. 37 is the number of terms in the given arithmetic progress. So n equal to 37. That is the number of terms in the arithmetic progress. L value 111, A value first term 3, D common difference 3. Substitute 111 minus 3 108 divided by 3 plus 1. 108 divided by 3 equal to 36. 36 plus 1 we get 37. 37 is the n value, that is number of terms in the given arithmetic progress. The given arithmetic progress has 37 terms from 3 to 111. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that we get 37 terms in the given arithmetic progress.